As you all know, today is 1st January. Today is the New Year's Day. So, I'm wishing you all a happy new year. And also, today we have a Foundation Day. Today is the first Foundation Day of our channel, World of Animals. So, for this occasion, today I will upload 2 videos on YouTube. One of them will be 5 animals described to science in 2021, which is the same video I am going to present to you now, and the other video, which I will upload a little late, is 5 animals that were marked extinct in 2021. First is the Ramaris beaked whale found in the southern hemisphere. Indigenous knowledge and science were combined to confirm that the beaked whale found in southern hemisphere was a distinct species from the true beaked whale that is found in the North Atlantic, bringing the total of beaked whale species to 24. Almost a decade ago, a dead female beaked whale was found washed up by the local Iwi tribe of Ngati Mahaki on the west coast of New Zealand. This female, measuring 5 meters in length and pregnant, the Iwi named her Nihon Gore. She was uncovered by renowned Mataranga Maori whale expert Ramari Stewart, raised by her elders in the traditional Maori knowledge of the Moana, who then sent the bones to Te Papa Tongarewa Museum in New Zealand. New Zealand researchers examined her and with international collaborators found that she was morphologically and genetically different to the true beaked whale. Combined with specimens from South Africa, the Ramaris beaked whale was described as a separate species. Second is the Church Valley kukri snake found in Himachal Pradesh of India. Like many people during the COVID-19 pandemic lockdowns, graduate student Virendra Bharadwaj spent time exploring his local area and photographing the wildlife he found in his backyard. One of these was a snake, which he found in June 2020, and he uploaded a photo of it to his Instagram, labeling it as a kukri, which is a type of snake named after Nepali dagger due to its curved teeth. In 2021, his Instagram post caught the eye of the scientist Zizan Mirza at India's National Centre for Biological Sciences, who thought that it looked a bit different to known species of kukri. Further morphological and genetic analysis of a male and a female of this species, a snake that was familiar to locals, revealed that it was in fact a species undescribed by science. The lack of certain types of teeth suggested to researchers that its diet likely consisted mostly of eggs. Third is the Wallis's sphinx moth found in Madagascar. With the longest moth proboscis in the world of an astonishing 28 cm, this moth species is named after Alfred Russel Wallace. It is sometimes known as Darwin's moth too, for Charles Darwin. This is because the two founders of the theory of evolution predicted that such a moth should exist. In 1862, Darwin received the orchid known as the Darwin's Comet Orchid and hypothesized that there would be a long-tongued moth capable of pollinating it. Fourth is the Faroe's wood lizard found in Peru. A new species of dragon-like lizard has been formally described, Following 7 years of field studies, which involved handpicking sleeping individuals from plants at night. The lizards, particularly the male, can come in a variety of colors ranging between turquoise, green, grey, and brown, with lines on their back and spots on the side. Fifth and the last one is the banyan tree hyrax found in West Africa. Barking calls of tree hyraxes in the forests of southeastern Ghana, southern Togo, and Benin, and southwestern Nigeria are unusual in sounding distinctly different to the shrieks from tree hyraxes elsewhere. This was enough for researchers to investigate further. As nocturnal mammals, tree hyraxes are very difficult animals to study, particularly as the eyes don't shine at night. This studied recordings of the calls, the skulls of 69 adult tree hyrax specimens in 6 museum collections in Europe and North America, plus museum skins, carcasses of hyraxes killed by hunters, and camera trap images. This picture is of a banyan tree hyrax caught in a camera trap. This is the barking sound. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon.